Welcome to Catherine the Paint. I was painting in the middle of the night and to paint this painting, and I had just finished it. It's a 6x6 canvas, and I wanted reds and golds, and and I finished it. I had recorded it and stopped the camera, picked the painting up to put it somewhere to get better light for close-ups, and flipped it on its face. I have never done that before, so it was a disaster. It was not savable, so I just set it back down and started pouring on top of it. So that's what this is. That's why there's paint there, and I wish I had had it on camera when I flipped it on its face, because I would totally show you guys that, because I was so shocked. I've never done that before. So anyway, guys, that's what happened. So now I am trying to get a painting out of this. So I am just putting down the colors, and now I'm blowing it out. It's the bloom technique, and all materials are listed below, and I hope you enjoy this.
So blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that
Alright, here are the dried results after I have resined this one. Wanted to show you guys some of the details, and the colors are so gorgeous. I know there's a reflection. I'm trying to get it the best I can. Up in this corner, there's a gold shimmer. Trying to catch it. Yeah, it's hard to catch. It's red, but then it's got a gold overlay shimmer that's really pretty. I love all these details. This is one of my favorites, actually. I'm really surprised how much I love this. I think I'm going to keep this one for myself. I don't do that very often. Alright guys, there it is. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.